To split an image in Canva using a simple masking trick, start by uploading your image and adding it to the canvas. Go to Elements, then Shapes, and choose a square shape. Change its color to black and resize it. Then duplicate it twice so you have 3 squares total. Rotate and arrange them in a split pattern as desired. Delete the original image from the canvas, leaving only the 3 black shapes, and download this design as a PNG file. Now delete the shapes and upload the same original image again along with the PNG you just downloaded. Go to Apps, search for Blend Image, and open it. Set the top layer to the black shapes PNG and the bottom layer to your original image, then change the blend mode to screen and click Add to Design. Resize the blended result as needed. Finally, bring in the original image once more, remove its background, and crop it from the bottom to complete the split effect.